A man from Seaforth St. Thomas remains hospitalized under police guard and his family demanding justice after they say police shot him Wednesday night. Family members protested across from the police station on Friday, claiming police brutality. TVJ's Krista Campbell has more.
Placards capture the sentiments of these protesters as they appeal for their relative who was shot by police in Seaforth St. Thomas on Wednesday night. The injured man remains in hospital under police guard, but his relatives are taking issue with how the police acted. Leon, a cousin of the injured man, explains how it all started.
Yesterday, I go to the station and make a report that person is looking for me in a tilt-up, flat-shaped car in night. So I go to make the report, then take my statement, here till them don't go look for the person them. So me left I go home now, I saw me get attacked. Police in the station see what happened. Me have to lift up on my 2 foot them and run.
He says an eyewitness told his cousins what happened and things escalated from there.
The person who attacked me drive when I walk go home, pan the lane, fast. I don't know what them having in their car, so I don't take no check. So when my cousin them reach on here, things get out of hand. Me come down here, so run come down now. Police load one in my head, point for me and say drop that, man, we kill you. So same time, him run, him fire one night here, them all on me. I don't know after that, because I then I lock down. Them all on me, they don't charge me for nothing. I get locked up from about after 11, I get released about after 7.
He says he doesn't know what happened after that, but heard one of his cousins, Ronald Porter, was shot and injured by police. Other relatives blasted the police for being unprofessional.
Because we go over there and attack them, going like so when I come over them, come ask them, no question, them a lock we up. Them not even come and tell us, say, okay, I am corporal this or that. Them just come in and a bad up people. And a chat boy, yo, go over this, so go over this, so. When I want them deal with us, so we are human beings just like them.
TVJ News tried unsuccessfully to get a response from the police about the incident. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.